100 years of organizational behavior, OB, 50 years of HR. OB started almost with Hawthorne studies, scientific study of behavior. HR started in mid-70s. Can we now predict human behavior? My answer is first no and later yes. No, because a large part of human behavior is very complex. Behavior of individual varies from time to time. The same individual, his or her thoughts vary from sometimes from morning to evening, from day to day, and so on. Yeah, there is some predictability, there is some consistency in human behavior. However, when you interact with two people, your opinions, attitudes change. So individual behavior varies, dyadic behavior varies depending on dyad to dyad. After that, your behavior in the family, FB, varies from time to time depending upon the chemistry of the family. Then in groups, the groups both in organizations, outside organizations, caste groups, community groups, religious groups, spiritual groups, yoga groups, all kinds of groups. Your behavior, there may be some consistency, but they are also varied from group to group. In organizations, organizational settings vary, and therefore your behavior varies. We have not been able to succeed. And then come to the nation, community in behavior. If you look at the behavior in a larger kind of a setting, like that of a community or nation, it's again very difficult to predict. We come up with things like citizenship behavior and all kinds of concepts, but there is no consistency. People change their attitudes, values, the way they behave, the way they think, and so on. So predicting human behavior, the larger the setting, the more difficult it becomes. Now, will AI help in predicting human behavior? My answer is again, first no and later yes. I say no because I think human behavior is so complex that no amount of artificial intelligence can predict what an individual can be expected to do in a given kind of a situation. Having said that, I don't give up. AI helps us to predict on the basis of data available the behavior of people to a large extent. For example, you can predict how a leader in election settings is likely to talk to a large extent on the basis of his or her talks in the previous election behavior. You can project, you can do that. AI will help you to do that. But will that person exactly do what you expect that person to do in a particular given election is very difficult to predict, because in the next election the setting may have changed. So humans are much more complex than machines. So for those of you who are afraid of AI taking over, please don't be afraid. I think no artificial intelligence, collective intelligence can beat the individual kind of intelligence. People are always complex. They can do a lot more things. That is why at one point of time Sadhguru said, rather than talking of human resources, talk of human possibilities. I think possibilities are enormous. So this little video is to share my thoughts on OB, HR, and bring in new dimensions of behavior. Individual behavior, IB, family behavior, FB, team behavior, TB, and organizational behavior, of course, OB, community behavior, CB, spiritual behavior, and so on. You can keep on adding B and put a suffix in any kind of a setting. So please don't underestimate the competencies or potential of human beings. Thank you for listening to this short speech. Thank you. Bye.